What's up guys, today we're here at Lidl, one of the cheapest supermarkets in the Netherlands, and I have with me my shopping cart, which is very important for you as a student because yes, you do not have a car yet and you're traveling with public transportation, so this is quite handy. Let me demonstrate. You can buy it online, in stores, anywhere.
So I'm a student myself, and besides going to stores like Lidl, I also look out for aanbiedingen. It's for any supermarket. So sometimes you can stock up on vegetables or fruits or pasta or whatever. This says 3 sticks for €1, so that's 3 pieces with 3 zucchinis for €1, and you can stock up on it. It would maybe last you a month or a few weeks depending on how much you eat. And next thing to stock up on is some things like toilet paper and kitchen roll. Yeah, you think you're spending a lot, but it could last you a couple of months and to save some of that euros.
I'm gonna show you guys today what you can purchase with the €20 and what you can make out of it. Let's go inside.
So most, if not all, supermarkets has like a bakery section. So like croissants, this is something students will often eat. Like, can you imagine one croissant like that huge is 30 cents. So 4 of them you pay €1.20, and you basically have breakfast for 2 days or more depending on how much you eat. They bake them fresh every day, so you don't have to worry about it spoiling too quickly.
Also took some cereal, that's €1.80. I get soya milk, which is 89 cents, and for 65 cents I'm gonna get half a pack of brown bread, and I'm gonna get some bananas, 99 cents a kilo. So yeah, this could do me for a week, a banana a day. We're gonna get schouderham, which is 99 cents. We're gonna go for this, and yeah, if you have some more money, I would advise you to buy like a block because yeah, it comes out cheaper in the long run and it lasts longer, so check it out. Okay, so we're gonna get the lettuce, and that is, it went from 59 cents to 49 cents, so that's only in our benefit. Then I'm gonna take a tomato sauce, which is 99 cents. I'm gonna take a penne pasta, and that is 59 cents. We're gonna take a corn for 59 cents, and then we're gonna take a jar of beans, bruine bona, that's 79 cents. We have some tortilla wraps, plain. These are 89 cents. We are also gonna take rice. The pandan rice is $1.79. So I'm gonna give you guys some advice here. Here you can see boneless chicken breast. The boneless chicken breast is €7 a kilo. Well, let me tell you guys something. I prefer to go to the Moroccan Turkish butchers because the meat there is always cheaper. Like for instance, here it's €7, and at the butcher it's €5 or even $4.50, and sometimes yes, they do have specials, so look out for those also. So we're gonna take ground beef, which is almost €5 a kilo. We're gonna take half a kilo, which is €2.50. We're also taking half a kilo of boneless chicken breast, and that makes it €2.50. So we're also gonna need some cream cheese, and yo, cream cheese is extremely cheap here, 65 cents. I'm gonna get these slagroom whipped cream, cooking cream, same thing, for 79 cents. Oh, and don't forget your veggies, guys. Fresh veggies are, you know, better than the frozen veggies, I guess. This is $1.79 for a bag of cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots, and you can steam it. Usually I buy Alaskan Kovis. This goes also in my shopping cart. Thanks for watching, guys. Now let's go and make those meals.